Many people install door chains to prevent this from happening.
May I help you?
Door chains and deadbolts are not as secure as most people think. These examples show how weak door chains and other security devices really are.
Go.
This is your front door with a deadbolt being hit by a 90-pound bag. Hi, I'm Robert Dieguez, president and inventor of the strike plate lock. The strike plate lock can be used as a flip lock securing your door when it is closed, or as a door chain when the door is open and you are speaking to someone. The strike plate lock can be installed in under 2 minutes simply using a Phillips screwdriver, or in 30 seconds using an electric screwdriver. You simply remove the 2 screws holding your existing strike plate, take the 2 security screws and install your strike plate lock. The strike plate lock can be used on your front door, back door, or even turn your bedroom into a safe room. To secure your door, you simply place the ring over your doorknob. Strike plate lock is excellent for those with disabilities that can't reach up high. Thank you. The strike plate lock can turn a bedroom into a safe room by simply putting the ring over the doorknob. Strike plate lock can also be used with double doors, securing them. My 12-year-old daughter removing the existing strike plate and replacing it with the strike plate lock in 45 seconds with an electric screwdriver. The strike plate lock works on both round and lever doorknobs.
Hi, may I help you?
Can I come in?
Who are you? 911? Someone's trying to break into my house.
The strike plate lock installed on a door being hit with a 90-pound bag. In this video, the strike plate lock survives 39 hits with a 90-pound bag. Hold on. Go ahead. If you want a real door chain, the strike plate lock has no equal.